Amazon here taking quite a bit of a hit, but today is March 7th, 2025 on a Friday. These are the latest analyst price targets for Amazon stock. I'm going to go ahead and go into Webull here just to show you the daily and weekly chart, some support levels and resistance levels to watch out for. Daily chart here on the Bollinger Band. We're currently at 195, down about 3% today. The bottom for Amazon, in my opinion, is closer towards 190, and today we tested 192. There is a possibility we might get a test down closer towards 180. That I'm just leaving for room just in case there is more downside. So caution on 180 there. What I'm personally doing is adding small positions at a time, especially during this dip. If we get a bounce or a reversal, I do think the reversal is going to be quite fast and sharp. So that's why personally, I'm not trying to time the bottom. I'm personally adding small positions at a time as we head down towards the bottom side here, possibly 190, 180. Those are going to be the two support levels I'm keeping an eye out for in case 190 does break down below. Watch out for 180. I don't think we're going to get a test down to 165, but that is a possibility. All right. In terms of a reversal, the upside potential is going to be a lot bigger in my opinion. Say hypothetically we start a reversal right from where we are right now at about 190. That's going to be a potential 36% move back up towards 260, which is my personal price target by the end of 2025. I do agree with Tom Lee that I believe these next 90 days we're going to get a reversal, and the reversal is going to be quite sharp towards the top side. That's Tom Lee's opinion, and that's also just my opinion as well. Right now, we're closer towards the lower end of the Bollinger Band, meaning we are in oversold territory. The bounce and reversal is going to be quite quick. We should be able to see the middle Bollinger Band get tested at 217. 217 there is going to be the first price target for me, and then the second price target going to be the major Bollinger Band at the top there. So the upper Bollinger Band is going to be at 240 on the daily chart. These are two price resistances I'm going to be looking forward to being tested during the next 90 days. Upper band here might take a bit longer sometime throughout this year, but I do believe that the 217 here is going to be one of the first tests and signs of a reversal once we get that test going on there for the middle band. Weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart. You can see that we are closer towards the lower of the Bollinger Band, pretty close to where I believe the bottom might be, which if you see on the top left here, Bollinger Band saying that the lower is going to be at 187. All right. The middle is going to be at 216 here. So close to what I think that we're going to be testing here when we confirm that there is a reversal. And the top going to be at 245 for the upper Bollinger Band. Right, so anytime we're closer towards the bottom of the Bollinger Band, in my opinion, it's going to be a really good time to be dollar cost averaging if you're long term, in my opinion. Long term, best time to be adding is when the lower Bollinger Band is being tested or below. Okay. If you watch any of our previous video on Tesla and Nvidia, I made one just recently talking about the Bollinger Band, how it is going to be a very good time to be buying dollar cost average, in my personal opinion, for long term. So dollar cost averaging closer to the lower end and then potentially shaving closer towards the top, or just holding long term overall. Okay. Amazon stock here I think is oversold right now. If we go into the daily chart, you can see the RSI is actually below 30. We're at like 27 right now. So on a daily chart point of view, this is really good time to be entering, in my opinion. Weekly chart showing that we just could potentially sell off just a little bit more towards 187 or 190. But again, I'm not trying to time the bottom. I'm just looking at dollar cost average because I know personally the all-time high at 242 is going to be tested. You can see all these price targets from these firms here. Again, take this with a grain of salt, but a lot of them ranging between 260 to about like 300. All right, keep that in mind. And let's go ahead and go back onto Webull here. If you haven't yet, join our Discord. Link down below in the description. It's free to join, completely free to join. You can come in, ask questions, share due diligence, and talk about Amazon stock. We do have an Amazon stock section. Some people share technical analysis. I'll go ahead and share technical analysis there once in a while, especially if you come on in and request for a technical analysis. It's completely free to request, and we all just share our opinions and due diligence there. Last but not least, if you want to support the community, you can join for 90% off permanent discount. Link down below for Patreon, live entries and exits on stocks and options from 20 analysts. If that's something you're interested in terms of learning and just viewing and watching and spectating, you can join our Patreon. Tiers are ranging from $10 to $50 per month instead of $100 to $500 per month, okay? Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video for Amazon stock.